What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video. Y'all can see I'm up early. I'm on the move. Time to go to Summit. I got to go to Summit, man. I told y'all earlier in the week I got to go to Summit. So I'm going to Summit. Park run. Yeah, I'll show y'all what I'm gonna get. I'm going to Summit though. So we are early, man, on the move. Going to Summit. Got stopped by Lawless car. I need to put my tag on John Jones and making some more runs and all that. So I'm gonna bring y'all with me. So y'all just stay tuned. We finna hit this road. All right, y'all. We checking in, man. Back from Summit. Been running around all around America. Got the rest of the stuff for the Monte Carlo. Over here at Lawless Streetcars. I just put the tag. I had to bring my tag over here because y'all know my birthday. I had to get tags for all my vehicles and all that. So I just put the tag on the car because Jesse about to get ready to get that thing knocked out. We'll have it this month. But I got to show y'all this work Jesse did, man. It's a donk back here. It's super clean, man. Super clean. But gonna be nice when it hit the scene. The owner said it was cool if I got it on camera. So I want to show y'all just the back wheel, man, cause I want to show y'all some of the work they do over here at Lawless Streetcars. You know, it's a grudge shop, so you can't show everything, but I know a lot of y'all be wanting these wheels on your car. Like, this is a 12-inch wide wheel, so I'm just gonna show you what he did to get it on, so y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, so this is it. Look at the wheels. Y'all see that wheel? 12 inches wide. And they got it fitted here at Lawless. So I want to show y'all the fitment and stuff. Cause like I said, Jesse don't get a chance to show what they can do over here. Cause it's a grudge shop. That's why y'all never see inside the shop and all that. I just can't. And it's a respect thing too, man. I don't film on the people's hood. Like, I'm not about to film on the hood of this car. Cause I don't do that even when I'm at the track. They got the hoods up. I don't film on the hood. I just don't. But he got it under there. Get the frame clearance and everything. Tight work, man. 12 inches. Got good clearance right here too. All of that. Like, it's tight. Then it's up in there. It's a 28. It's a 28. And like I said, man, just look at it. Y'all can see the stance. Got perfect fitment. Let y'all see the other side. So if you want this type of work done too, like if you just want to come over here get custom wheel fitment and all that, said Jess can handle all of that too. The number on the screen, Lawless Streetcars and Fabrication. Him and the crew, man, they can take care of all this stuff. So I had to show y'all this. Cause I came out, cause the Camaro back here, and I saw this. I was like, man, it's a nice car. Gonna be a real nice one, hit the scene. But look at that fitment and that stance. Somebody doing a sick job on this car. Sick build, man. So if he see this video, man, you doing a hell of a job. This thing here nice. I like it. So yep. If you want this, like I said, just hit the number. I mean, they do everything. They do everything over here at Lawless. Everything. Got to shout them out too. They took care of my guy Jarvis. They took care of my boy Jarvis John. Y'all saw the one I did the little special on with the Regal. They took care of him. He in and out gone. John Jones about to be out of here. But I'm gonna let y'all get back to the house, and I gotta show y'all what I picked up at Summit. So y'all just stay tuned. All right, we checking in, y'all. Checking in, man. Back at the house. Finally, gonna show y'all what I got. Been running around all day long. So yes indeed. Oh yeah. Yes indeed. Y'all see it? Y'all see? Hey, y'all see what it say? Oh yeah. I'm not opening it though. But anyway, I told y'all I'm going to get something. But y'all see what it say? Oh yes indeed, boy. I got some plans. I got some plans for that engine out there. Now, it's not going back in Dolo, but I got some future plans for that engine. I tried to give it away. Nobody wanted it. Hey. Oh yeah, boy, hey, going down. But anyway, these right here, those are the braided transmission line. They for wifey car. Last missing pieces right there, braided transmission line. 3/4 heater hose and my two clamps for the radiator hose. About to be up out of here. We about to be up out of here. I was gonna fool with the car today, but I ain't got time. I'm about to go to the track. It's about to be a busy weekend for me. I'm about to go to the track 3 days straight, man. I'm going to Middle Georgia tonight, which is Friday. I'm going to Middle Georgia tomorrow. They got $27,000 small block race. I'm going to Easy Money race Sunday. So, man, I'm about to be tired. It's work. But you don't grind, you don't shine, you don't work, you don't eat. So I'm about to be on the move. And then I'm going to be back on these cars and stuff. But I'm going to come out here early tomorrow before I take off for the track. I'm going to try to get them lines on the car and get y'all a vlog. But get the transmission lines on her car. And yeah, man, I'll be ready. I know I can crank that thing up after I get the wiring straightened out. But yeah, man, I got some plans, but this ain't about the money, Carlo. I got some plans for that engine over there. Yes, indeed, right there, that one. I got some plans for that engine. Man, I tried to get this thing away. This just how I roll, man. When people play around with me, it make me get right. I'm like, all right, okay. I tried to get the car away for a little bit of nothing. Some people, 6,000 too high. It's too high for you. You need to go look at something else. I hate to talk like that, but they're just for real. Say it's too high for you. It's good. There was a deal, man. It's a giveaway. You can't put that car together like it said for 6,000. You can't. You can't. I bring out them stack of receipts. They like this. Can't do it. Not ain't for the roller. I tried to give the engine away for a little bit of nothing. Told people it was just a patch job, man. Nobody want to patch it. So now I'm gonna fix it myself. I'm not saying what that is right there, but now I'm gonna fix it myself, and it'll be back. The engine will be ready in a little bit of no time. So I'm about to get it fixed, and I got some plans for the engine. That's all I say. I got some plans for the engine. So I'm about to have me 3 in car. The engine that's going in Dolo, boy, woo. I'm not saying that. Told people, man, now I'm in that mode now. No more budget stuff. I'm in that mode now. So now it's time to be secretive. I'm going back to my roots. It's time to be secretive. So when Dolo come back, it's about to be, hey, all I can say, I'm serious. I'm serious. But even when, hey man, hey, we about to have a little boy. We about to party with that engine this time, man. It's going down. But yeah, like I said, good summit run. Went by Lawless Streetcars. John Jones. I talked to Jesse. Jesse said he should be able to get on John Jones next week. So that means that'll be coming back. And it's going down. When I get that car, I'm a daily drive that car. Every day, man, to make up for lost time. So it's about to go down all the way around. I told people now, I said, I'm going to finish this year off with a bang. Now. I went down, all 3 of my cars ain't running right now, but watch how I end this year. That's all I can say. Watch how I end this year. I've been moving. It's been a good year, man. I've been putting in work. I done put together 2, 3, 4. I technically done put together 4 cars this year. Cause I did big meets twice. Put the 305 in there, boom boom. Went and bought a crate engine. Put big meets back together. Did it twice. Put Dolo together. About to redo Dolo. And then just finishing up wifey car. I've been working this year. Okay, that one thing can't nobody say. They can't say I ain't been working. I've been working, man. I had mishaps, but I've been going in. Even though I have mishaps, I bounce back from it and come back better. And that's what's going on now. Especially for the people that be wanting to see that. Y'all know when you have a problem, boy, you see something negative. Everybody come out the bushes then. Let's see if they're going to come out the bushes. They go around when I come back the way I'm coming this time. Let's see if them same people going to come out the bushes. People have so much to say and want to hee ha ha when you make a mistake, or they want to be the first one to point out a mistake. You point out all this right that's about to happen. That's all I can say. People talking about doing the budget bill. I'm like, now I'm doing stuff the way I normally do it. If you really know me, I'm doing stuff the way I normally do it. So it ain't no expense about to be spared. So now I'm about to go in. I'm about to turn up a notch. Like I said, I tried to get the stuff away for a little bit of nothing. But now it's going to cost a check. Especially with what I'm doing. It's going to cost a bag. Even though it ain't got no paint, cause y'all know I cater more toward performance stuff. People be looking at cosmetics and stuff. It ain't this, it ain't that. man, y'all better get up on that car and look. Especially if you just a new subscriber, you ain't saw the whole series, you better go back all the way to the beginning and look at everything been done to Dolo. Any of these cars, man, I spend money, man. I'm just doing budget stuff so people can relate. When you go to spending the type of money on spending now, I mean, people can't relate. So, but right now, budget stuff out the window, man. Budget stuff out the window. John Jones about to come back. I got the report from Jesse. We got, oh yeah, hey, it's about to go down, man. This is for Dolo old motor. It's old motor, cause it's not going back in Dolo. I got some plans for it. Though. And I'm about to have I'm probably about to have about 3-4 engines over here. Bad engines, man. I'm about to have about 3 to 4 engines. And I still got cheapskate motor over there. And I got some planned for cheapskate old motor. So y'all about to see a show. It's about to be showtime. But yeah, that's it. It ain't nothing exciting. I just had to show y'all this. I could, man. I don't know, maybe I have a change of heart and show the parts, but right now, I ain't showing them. I ain't showing them. I'm not opening the box and showing nobody nothing. But anyway, I might have a change of heart. I don't know. But anyway, that's it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. And I'm going to catch y'all tomorrow.